To hear more options, press 0.
What are you talking about?
Hey guys, so today we're going to be decorating this Christmas tree. Now I have run into a dilemma that all of the ornaments are in the locked shed in the backyard and buried underneath stuff, which I will not be going to get. So this is what we have. We have these that I got for the little ornaments that I was gonna do, but I don't think they're gonna fit in there. I'll save one and check, and if they do, I'll just go get more because they were like $1. And then I have this ribbon. I have this bigger ribbon. Oh, my dog is here. I have this ribbon, and then I have these candy canes. So let's get started. So I'm gonna take this little tag off. Oh, that's cute. You can give it, it's like a little present tag, but we're gonna be tearing it off. That was easy. Oh no, don't untie the bow. Hold on guys. I have to do an emergency bow tying so the burlap doesn't fall off. Got him. So this is what we're working with. So first we're gonna, do these come out? Oh yeah, they do. So we're gonna spread out his arms. This can be a boy because it's not giving any effort. My phone just buzzed. Should I check it? Yes. Look at my sparse little tree. Isabel, you don't have to, okay. Bye. Oh yeah, I still see your booty hole. Alright. Have my sparse little tree. So first I'm gonna check the, actually, yeah, first I'm gonna do these. The little wreaths. Let's see if they're bendable. Oh, they are. Ooh! Do you guys see that? Hold on, let's wait until it focuses. Is it gonna focus on this? But it's like, I don't think you can see it. It's like giving off a little effervescence. So I could probably bend these, but like into those ornaments, but I'll just get another pack. And we're done! I'm just kidding. Okay. So, do that. I'm just gonna put all 3 on here because this is gonna be a struggle tree. Right now you guys are sitting on a box of Izzy sparkling juice drinks because I don't really use my big camera anymore. I only use my little one because it's easier for me to use. Alright. I put his jewelry on, you know. I think this needs to go up a little bit. There you go. And now I'm gonna put the ribbons. I'm gonna put the actually I'm gonna put the big ribbon on. Now, ooh, sparkles. I'm gonna put the candy canes on last just because they're so big compared to the tree. I don't want it to be like, grr. Okay, this could work. This could work. Hold on. Again, playing. Yes, come on. Oh, my bad. My bad, girl. My bad. I'm over here taking the what are these called? Wreaths with me. Okay. Shimmy, 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 shimmy. Here we go. Look at him. He has his little dress on. Okay. Nobody said this was going to be... Yo, there was like barely any on this. Look. It's like empty. Oh. I'm just gonna like cut this. You can barely see. I'm just gonna cut that amount. Oop. And just wrap it on. I'll start up here because up here is kind of bare. Ooh, what if I tied a bow? That would be cute. That would be cute. Do 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 do. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, it's kind of ugly. It's let's go. Just twist it around. Let go. This one is kind of just blending into the scenery, which I should have. Oh no, he's pushing the other ribbon out the way. They're fighting. Okay, there we go. I mean, you know, it's okay. And then we're gonna put the blue ribbon on. This thing is like the most gorgeous little tree. And my defense, I'm used to wrapping fluffy trees, so like some of that greenery is part of the decoration. And that is not the case for this tree. What if I did another bow up here? So then it'll be like, oh, it's supposed to be ugly, but like in an ugly tacky way. Oh, that bow is not going to tie correctly. Hold on. I mean, it's still not, but I'm not about to untie it, so. Oh, now he has another little nozzle. And then we're going to go this way instead of the other way. Oh, oh, oh. This needs to go on top. Oh. Look, I'm going to need you to act right. This race keeps trying to turn around the other way. Okay, okay. We're gonna go through. Oh, we're gonna go through some branches because they didn't do that with the brown ribbon. I'm really getting into this, guys. I'm gonna do this. Yup, yup, yup. Go under that. Do a loop-de-loop and pull. And my tears from my eyes are going down to my nose and making my nose run. Okay, okay. And then we're gonna go all the way to the bottom. And then we're gonna loop it back up. Yup. Oh, that one's okay. And then we're just gonna loop it right there. Yup, yup, yup. Actually, pull that down. What I'm trying to do is have this little end piece. You see this little end piece right here? This one right here? Yeah, I'm trying to put it somewhere. What if I pull this one up and push that under there? This one. Yup. Got him. Alright. It's the only thing we have left. Is a candy cane. D. And I got the Sweet Tarts candy canes because they're one of the best tasting ones. And you think I'm about to buy candy canes and not eat them? You don't know me. Look, he's so cute, so warm. Look at the candy cane. I'll put a red one even though they're probably cherries, so I can't even eat them, but it's okay. I'm just gonna deck this sucker out. We need a green one over here. This is what he's oh gosh. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's alright. I'll put the green one down here. Is that branch gonna hold it though? Oh no, that's okay. We'll put it right here then. No, we'll put it right here. And then we need one more red one, and then we're done. Where should the honorary red one go? Just, no. We're gonna put it in front of, or behind this wreath. And this is my Christmas tree, guys. Isn't it so cute? I would like to thank the countrymen and the people at Target who is still, oh shit, I just broke a candy cane. This is the most beautiful tree I've ever seen. The little bows just looking at you. Boom. Alright, so this is my tree. If you like this video, oh wait, it's a vlog. It's a thing. Her name could be Augustine. No, her name is Fergison. So Fergison will be in the back of my videos, maybe depending on where I'm filming. And yeah, decorating a Christmas tree, Vlogmas 2020.